Buhari, come and give account to the people of Edo State what you have been doing since you've been on throne. My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depending on wherever you dey watch me for. Before I will continue, if you know say today na the first time wey be say you dey come across this my channel, or you don dey watch me, you never subscribe, abeg today make you try subscribe and turn on the bell so that you begin dey see ogbonge news for this my channel. For you wey be say you don subscribe and you still dey come back to come watch me, God go bless you. Better thing no go ever finish for your life. To you wey just subscribe now as you come across this my channel, now better you go dey see. In Jesus' name, amen. Edo people don finally call on Buhari, make he can't give account for wetin he don do since we be say he dey throne. May not be say I dey lie, make una watch the video.
My country people, I greet una. We welcome una come another ogbonge segment on top inside Edo. Una sabi say inside Edo na the segment and the ogbonge program. We for dey talk about all the things wey dey shele for we country and even Edo State kpakpa. Today we too want talk about na Naija at 60. Una go sabi say this we ogbonge country Naija celebrates 60 years of independence on the 1st of October 2020. Na dear President Buhari come for talk say he don do 600 roads for Naija since 5 years of him administration. That one means say 400 years for him first term. That one means say 4 years for him first term and 1 year for this second term when they do they go so. Plus say we go still talk about SARS. Now we sabi say for online the hashtag where they trend well na EndSARS, EndSARS, EndSARS. We go talk about SARS and how this ending where they want me we end them and go take effect to country. My name na Edogogo Edoleyi. And the person we get for we studio this evening to come follow us talk this ogbonge informate na Nosa Idele Ogbeide. Oga, I greet you.
I salute you.
Welcome to the studio once more.
Well done.
We go sabi say President Buhari talk say he don do 600 roads for Naija. So wetin we want make you talk about this evening na how many roads when do so affected those states? You know, say if we say we divide this 600 road by the 36 states where they we country plus FCT, how many road you believe say go reach Edo State hand, and how many actually do?
Well, for road matter, for 5 years of President Buhari, to me and to majority of Edo people, all the work we say no work, you never work reach Edo. For that road matter. Few days to October 1st, I did watch am for television where the spokesperson come and say President Buhari don't do 600 roads for Nigeria for 5 years of administration. That is, 4 years for the first tenure and 1 year for the second tenure, making 5. So I come, I say make I look around because I can't talk about a Delta State. I no go fit talk about Lagos State. I dey see Lagos State for television. I dey see Abuja for television. I dey see Enugu, Onitsha Bridge, Tomila Bridge for Lagos. They use and sing up and down. For Edo State, when I see most of these political actors, they fight themselves. I go dey wonder whether they are fighting for development or on a personal interest. You fit imagine say we get 2 ministers for this state today. And those 2 ministers, one a senior minister, the other one a junior minister. And if you go the ring road, will be the central place for Edo, for Benin City, where they call King Square, popularly known as Ring Road, you'll see and say major roads from other states, they end for Ring Road. If you see Aduwawa, Aziz, Aunchi, Kogi Road, Okene, Lokoja, down to Abuja, now Ring Road is common. If you see Onitsha, Agbo, Asaba, Enugu Road, now Ring Road is end for that Apapa junction. If you see Abraka, you see Delta State, now Ring Road is end for upper junction for Ring Road, that's Apamba Road. If you see Ubowo or War Road, Akure, he end for Ring Road, follow Ibi will come out, the same Ring Road. Then, if you look at well, if you settle down and look at well, you'll see and say the Ring Road, because there are 2 Ring Road you get for Edo State. We get ring road where be King Square. We get the one where PDP do that time where they call outer ring road. That they call bypass. And this outer ring road can connect major roads. Lagos Road, Agbo Road, that is Asaba Road, east, west, north. It connect them. And Niger Delta. It can be outer ring road. And you see that road who they talk about so. Buhari commit the road. When Buhari say do 600 roads, I dey imagine the area where he do and reach for Edo, it affect Edo State. Let's take for example, I know some of persons where they travel on T Road. On T Road those days, when I dey drive motor, because fear not let me drive that road this time around. From here to Aunchi, those days, 45 minutes. But today, any driver will drive here to Aunchi, 45 minutes. Not be that road they pass. You they go Abuja, they'll say Benin to Abuja. Gwagwalada, you they see 5 hours, 30 minutes. Before you can drive the airport road, reach down, you get to 30 minutes, it will be 6 hours complete. Before you reach your park. Are you hearing me? So now, the road where Buhari do for Nigeria, it affect Edo. I don't see one place. If you go Abraka Road now, for example, say you follow Upper, you follow and reach down to Ikpe. From Ikpe, they go down, you don't see one road pass. Could you believe some persons, some political actors today where they fight up and that way they live for the whole of Oriomo, they network Agbo before they defeat entire Edo State.
President Buhari talks say he don't do 44 federal roads. How many federal roads stay inside Edo State?
You see what they analyze to you now? East Road, a federal road.
Okay.
North Road, which is Aunchi, Okene, a federal road. Abraka Road to Delta, a federal road. Saple Road, where still come out for Ring Road. Where be say for Olugbo one time, they spend 3-4 hours before they go. Ordinary Saple here. Na federal road. Lagos Road, where they patch up and down so. They do up and down. No, Buhari do am. Are you getting me? So when he say do 40-something federal roads, me no know the area for Edo State, areas where I don't name so, where we say Buhari for doing work. I don't know where he do and reach for Edo State. We know the benefit am. And I believe majority of Edo people know say Buhari no affect Edo State with all these roads we saying do. 600 roads in Nigeria, 40-something federal roads in Nigeria. You don't get where you do for a year. Let's quickly put small light.
Okay.
I followed the other day. We go Takbe, Agbo, Asaba area for this railway, whatever.
Yeah.
We can carry the coach for this name of Goodluck.
Goodluck, Jonathan, yeah.
My sister, you see, make we learn. Make we not they believe, make they deceive us. Waiting my eyes see that day. Not be waiting my eyes see between Abuja, Kaduna, Ray. The day when I enter Abuja Ray train from Abuja to Kaduna, you get what they say business class will be first class. About 3,005. The economy, I did tell you what happened recently. But the economy 1.5. I can say, well, big man when I not be, I not go put myself. I buy the 1.5 for the train station. 1.5. Where me sit down, it be like in a plane I sit down. We go open the one where they do for Asaba here that day before Asaba, Agbo. And they look train. And they look waiting there. You know those charcoal locomotive. Me, I ask myself, he get waiting Niger Delta do there for Abuja. The head of the train are not the same. The tail of the train are not the same. The middle way they paint now this. In fact, me I not talk too much. So now road matter not be rail matter now what they talk about. So you see the way they oppress us, and I go see some of us we supposed to join us together to make things work. We go to fight ourselves. So Nigeria roads, federal roads, where President Buhari do for 5 years, no one affected do.
So if they try to say inside these 600 roads wey you do for Naija, wey be say 44 federal roads dey inside, one no dey.
Now rehabilitation have been a reconstruction.
It do some as in rehabilitation, then can't do some reconstruction where we go patch it, but you go still let motor the pass.
But not before this state. I just named the state as the thing they come where they end. Let's say, for example, you know, they take, if they come, state government do Ewa Road, Gobadia, Costain. It will be like cut and come up for town. State government still do second junction to Lagos Road. Now federal road though, but state government had the maintenance. If you be Mugu, we no road, you dey go Saple Road. For you to cut out within state, state road, you go they come from east. You want hit Ring Road before you dey face Saple Road. But shortcut they will supposed follow. My sister, from Enugu follow Onitsha, they come Benin. Before you reach bypass, Agbo Road. I don't want to talk Igbanke side though. When the business state government do that, they from there they enter Romi. They from there enter Ekmo. They from there enter Igwebe. I just talk about the straight road. Because when wickedness too much, it get the way you go stand, say enough is enough. Who carry go and come be like, twin stick for your hand. Enough you use them again. From that road come Ring Road. You don't see where federal government rehabilitate, reconstruct, or new construction. And just a need bridge. If you see 10 junction, the way traffic they did there, you can't see moat. If now land, they will do bridge from there. Go come out from Guinness or Bobai. But because he don't dey here, and the actors, political actors here, we know they think of development. We want kick out development and bring in their selfish interest. They will not think of developing. They will never think of making Edo greater the way they is supposed to be. They will be thinking of how to be in power, to oppress the ones they can oppress, to live in power, to live their life normal, and keep other persons useless.
Okay, we don't talk on top road matter. Make we pull out for the one where they make our youth body they catch fire, where they make them be active. We sabi say yesterday they be put the whole Benin city on lockdown. Also say they carry peaceful protests go different locations for those states. They even will carry Chaba Palace. Wetin cause this protest now because of SARS matter. We be special anti-robbery squad.
You know say SARS many it dey for sickness for far.
No be that one at the talk. This one are for inside police force. Now one session like that inside police force we be saying that them they attend to robbers, like robbery matter. So they can't be anti-robbery. That one means say that they try stop robbery for the country. So the thing I say we youths come they protest though. And in the past few days, those of us who they follow for social media, we they sabi say that they put videos of how police they molest our youths, how they even they shoot some, like they just they trigger happy. Waiting about the country, they happy to the shoot. And I don't want to make we youths come the vex for the matter. Come make them they protest. They say they don't want it. Okay, Kuku just end the SARS. We think you guys to talk on top this matter.
Well, you see, police their matter even it don't too much. That fear not they let us talk because not them. They say may they guide us. May they protect us. May they create law abiding and be law and order.
Law and order.
You see, some of our youth, like, I know they Benin yesterday, but I watch them for TV station for news. The dynamic deputy governor, when they addressed the youth. And I listened to some of them when they talk. And I checked them. I believe say I don't spend some years for Edo. So I feel name all the streets for Edo. When I say all, not be say I will name all. But I say get what name I reach, you say, you know all the streets for Edo.
I see as the name are just now for President Buhari matter.
When you say youth, when I check the people who call themselves youth, and then they talk to deputy, because deputy saying they come, instead say traffic full day for road, which is one of the major road to GRA, Iyama, he say he has to come down, come see na protest. You know, say deputy governor a person where he like protest, he like protest in a youth. Anything that has to be youth.
They put body well.
You understand? But I want to ask you one question. The youth way in the protest, so will be a do youth. When I see the motto where they take the protest, the smallest motto where they take they do protest, I know they side police. I know they say I they give because if you see if not be police, I no go rent 3-bedroom flat for GRE. They say make I stay barrack. If I close for work, I they go back to my barrack. It reach with me, myself, go tell myself, say, this police work not be work. Because police, they get commission. They get budget. But police, if you go to their barrack today, where they live, where they sleep, you no go fit eat. You will be stranger for that barrack. But the police, they'll say make you follow environmental sanitation, go they clean people's houses. You understand me? Police, they'll say make them go maintain law and order for outside. But if you go their barrack, nothing to tell about the place. Now, if I be footballer, I dey play ball, I dey go training, and from there go house. I look the people who protest yesterday for TV. No footballer, they among them. Where they play ball say, in join they say when they play ball, police come dey harass them. When I still check them again, there is one program Edo State government don't take favor Edo youth today. They call them Edo jobs. And that Edo job don't engage numbers of persons for Edo. Either they work for ministry, private sector, or some individuals. I don't see all those people when they log into their portal to be member, when they engage for a district government. They are among the youth where they protest yesterday for television. The most responsible youth among them are that they carry like this one. Now he carry for his crowd. He baby hair, he trouser day here, he pants the show. He say be a do youth, police they disturb him. The police them, they say federal SARS, state SARS. Before he can reach protest against these people, IG want tell me say he no know. Say see what he boys they do for outside.
You know, say IG they come from federal. Before IG,
and they come state too.
Before IG will come sabi waiting they happen for 36 states, come still follow for FCT. It go say, now make when get commissioners. This one are people who supposed to report.
Now listen. Before IG, commissioner for police, come sit down, say SARS or federal or state that they work. And the commissioner will come tell me or tell Edo people say, he no say not be only armed robbers. Now the scheme because the thing be like what thing I go call them? The thing be like agency inside police.
Be
where they combat crime. And majorly their work it is very tedious. Are you getting me? Then the same SARS go come out. They will go out. Commissioner say no, they monitor them.
Oga, I no fit talk on top that. Waiting Oga, waiting I want make you really talk on top. Now say this matter of say these SARS people will be part of police for one side.
They be police, not part of police. Yes.
They be police, but their name na SARS. Will be say the video me no say you no get one over see, so I believe say even yourself see. Will be say they shoot our youths. That kind thing good.
I say police, their own day their body. Now, if we begin to talk about police. Waiting I see scrap. They say end SARS. Hashtag end SARS. That will not remove the police from their body. I say when you born many children, you must see one where be say so complain and they come house. Not be all police they equal in terms of this personal corruption. When the commissioner send a message, they go do more than the one they send them. They will do their own. Imagine you carry gun, you shoot person where they make you protect. Imagine you see person, he dress fine, you go stop and good. You want check the motto. But they not they check the vehicle particulars again. Then they check the human being particulars. Bring your phone, and then the particulars there. May I use myself do example? I forget comb my hair one day. Just the way I still forget.
Today.
I stay in the studio. I just forget. I dey rush go somewhere. I drive come out for a port road. I bet. Road safety sights me. You know, so those who go dey far. If you draw your bed, they will see you. As they sight me, I bet. I pass them. The next thing, police day after they say park there. Now park. He say roll down, now roll down. He say, who are you? Now say, are you talking about my car or me? You can imagine, police they ask me, who are you? Now tell I say, I be human being. I be human being. He said, okay, your vehicle particulars, I give him. Your driver's license, 3 days to before it expire, I don't go apply. Sometimes 1 week, I give him. He hold the two. He said, my friend, come down. I come down. Open your boot. I open my boot. What are you doing for a living? I give him my ID card. Why is your hair like this? I say, hey, you don't do. You don't do. Give my papers. Give me my papers. He said, no, hold on. And this vehicle, my name 9 day, but I dey work. I take purchase this motor. Now I carry my paper from her. Because now I get my power. You dey seize my, you see, not be everybody get the mind. Or dey the same level when I dey. Do you get? Some people dey, because of the crime rate where they indulge in. Imagine boy where they do conductor before, 22 years old, 23. They use Camry 2.3. Now he call police say, oh boy, I know they work over a buy motor. By the time police answer say, what are you doing for a living? Oh guy, you know, I just can't travel. I go one Africa, I don't want to call the country. I can't go one Africa country. I can't dey hustle. Now I can't buy this motor. Your source of living, give me your phone. But you see, the argument on ground now be say, why police get right, or if they get right to search your personal phone because it's a mobile phone.
No, the matter when me want make you talk on top, not be whether they search phone or not. That one has story for another day. This one I say, then they kill our boys, our youths. The youths will be leaders of tomorrow. If they kill them finish, who can't get it tomorrow? Good.
The youth where they kill anyone for a do, you know.
No, but we see some way they kill for social media where we say those people na people relative.
For the state where they kill, which state they kill them?
Oh guys, they kill one for Delta State, really precisely.
Really? But the news we me hear about really, the person never die.
But they shoot him. They say person are suspect. They say person are suspect until court say yes, so you dey guilty.
If you listen to Festus Keyamo, he said they arrest him. They put him for van. Listen.
Police say he fall. No. Wait, police say he fall.
See, I was not there. Maybe you know there.
I know there.
The journalist, if you read there. He said they put him for motor. Then they carry and they go. Out of fear, he jump. Listen, you know, very simple. They know they pursue you. They arrest you for crime. Suspect. Not charge or sentence. But because I don't know, I'm not speaking for the young man or whoever. I know they speak for police. But they want to refer to the way you talk about us now. Based on what I read about Festus Keyamo, right? When even the DP and the Commissioner of Delta State say they must get to the root. You know, if Commissioner don't they say we will get to the root, you know, say that they the right track. They arrest person, you jump for motor, you go get injury. Now police push you.
Oga.
You be Dino.
Oga, you don't first see where police arrest person, put am for back of that their van. The person come fall.
They arrest me when I grow the come.
You fall.
I jump as I want jump, my leg the ground one day more today, they drag me, they go. The luck when I get me say, the police, when it be say, make him drag me. As he drag me, I hold on, he fling me some motor again. I use yes in my head. I use a neck bonnet. Because I dey fear say police, they carry me go station. I don't want to go station. That make me be jump. They bring me back, I break my head. So I just make you understand, say, not be police say jump. So that story of Ugeli, now so it be. And they tell you when I they grow, they go stubborn. I stop on well. If I see police, they walk out, they don't run. But I not do any crime. And they make you understand and say, that one for Ogeli, the person be wrong. Not be say police say, I will shoot you. You will die. If they want kill and don't kill, they don't carry and go station.
Oga, now we don't clear the matter of Ogeli. Again, another one when I see where the person the video from window, even the court itself, they cover the person from camera. I don't confident know the state. We don't know the location. But me see with my koro, where they shoot person. The person said even they bounce onto say it's still like it's system they force himself to their life, but police just shoots the person. This one be say you know whether na police or you don't know whether na police. This one police, he just gauge, he just dress like police. He can't just the shoot him.
My sister, you see.
And at night the thing happen.
Question what you they ask me, you they tell me story. You know they ask me question because
na question.
I go ask you this
no,
question.
Oga, na question because if follow for this SARS matter where they talk say that they kill our youths. Now make online, if you go to Tana, the number one this way you go to see for your search engine are NSAS. Now you just full for that place. All the celebrities say they put body on top of SARS.
I don't know about. I know they talk. You see what you talk now? Say they record somebody they record through window. Even cut it they block them. They block the view. But what happen? You not tell me now say where they can't find out the case. They can't discover say police kill the person or na issue the person. But somebody record. I can't talk, or rather, I not fit talk within a non.
Oh, yeah, make we not talk what we don't know about. But we youth they protest, they end SARS. If they really end the SARS, how if we say this country could be? And now when they never end that,
who be youth?
Oh, now when they never end that, their work now to they pursue with small boys. I been now to they pursue armed robbers, make them not on the robbers one. I'm for they feel they sleep with our two eyes. We go they snore, they go. Which one be their work?
Well, you say police. People say end SARS. They say me they end the name. They don't see me they drive them. NSAS. Change the name to another name. Maybe NSAS. Okay, what if they come out tomorrow and say something squad? The same people come out again. NSAS. They don't say end police.
No, so, they don't talk say end police because not be all the police.
You're not getting.
Now one special side.
You say NSAS. Now they trend. Me they tell you now say NSAS na just story. The IG or Police Service Commission will come out. They go reform the name. The only thing they will say may they do, we go enter my ear. Be say the police may they train them proper for proper investigating matter. Not be to go Ikeja for police college. You don't come out. You say don't finish. The next you say na batin I go dey carry. I be na go and go dey carry. Police go they go they say we not go carry batin. No, me no want because not be traffic what they me read. Me want to go operations. Police. Now you they say NSAS, federal SARS. That is not the issue. Youth cannot come out to say NSAS. Some Bogon persons go come and say, let us create an avenue of training our police on a proper way to conform, to rehabilitate their thinking, on how to do their work perfectly, effectively. Not be NSAS and change the name. Okay, what do they call on TV here? TMC TV. Tomorrow now, you turn the M, turn out to W. What do you turn to?
TWC TV.
The station there. What are you saying? When you go to hear NSAS, you can't even they made the things they get as be. And they see the youth where they talk about say NSAS. One way be musician for Lagos, Naira Marley. Imagine a Naira Marley they represent youth for Nigeria. Naira Marley. They're the one we me see yesterday for television do that. Now those one they be youth where they agitate to end SARS or rehabilitate SARS or to redirect police. Tomorrow you see what will happen. Kidnappers will come and say SARS must go. But because say them, this one where they talk about so we carry motor yesterday. Small children, Mercedes GLK, Lexus 330, 350, Camry 2 point something. This one, I see them. They make for television. When I look there, I see them like this. I say, as I don't play do reach for Benin, I never know these people as the youth representing youth in Edo. The truth also make them not talk. I don't see these people saying that they represent the youth. They shout for television, they talk. Police, they know themselves, they know their own. No. Police, we see them. When they grow, they come that time. They get one house where they go, they do gym. they will just come, everybody lie down. We'll go lie down. What you not come for? Is it because anywhere that they gym those days, now I'm robbers. Now they stay the backyard. Me not thief. But I not say I not lie. But I not thief. So what we're saying now, very simple thing. If the youth, if people come and say, create workshop for police to get proper orientation on how to operate, on how to protect lives and properties, on how to, are you getting me? Very simple. Me support them. Very simple.
Oga, thank you. We don't hear what you don't talk for the studio today. And we believe, say, when the people say where the power, don't hear what you talk on top, the police reform, where you really trick mouth put on top. And I believe, say, you go still fly enter President Buhari here, say, inside the 600 roads, when you do, we follow for the 44 federal roads. No one when you do will affect us for those states. So make him try to do something on top and before in second tenure go expire. Oga, thank you when you take come with studio. We really appreciate you. And when you take away better light on top of these things like this, come make us you understand, say, the way we be tell you see some kind of things before, not be so be really be. My people, now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo. For more episodes, make una join us like this again for this ogbonge channel una dey so. Until next time, I still be Edo Koko, Edoleye. Bye bye.
Thank you very much.